No, what's the temperature?
Plus 25.
This is insane. Go stand right there to show how massive this is. You look so tiny. That's insane. Wait for me. Oof. Yeah. This is not
Like a camel spider.
real. Just let's do it. I'm ready. Look how porous this is. Oh. It's going up, up, up. Wait for me.
Imagine this in the summer.
It's already really hot.
I'm going to double this.
For real. I would. At least there's lots of shade over there. I'm gonna walk across the Hoover Dam and just try and.
Danger, keep off wall. Look at it, was real hot here.
It was.
It just only shading.
Just started the shading. Look at the difference in the water.
Water to go left in here. Let's go up more.
Oh, no, it's Look at the walkways. That's cool. That's so cool. I wonder what that's all
yeah.
for.
That's how I feel trying to get always because I seen the hill we about to walk up and I said, it's
That side a little bit?
There we go. Yeah, we can. insane anxiety. I'm scared. Holy shit.
Oh my god.
What a fucking drop that is.
Straight down, dude.
Oh god. No, I can't. I'm terrified.
Look at that staircase down there.
Little tiny staircase. Oh my god. Okay, let's get away from here before I have an anxiety attack.
I wasn't expecting it to go straight down.
Holy fuck, that was just a straight drop. Arizona time. Oh, I'm so shaky. That was scary. There's a restroom here. Go to the washroom. No. I want to see what it looks like, but I'm okay. Another straight drop.
Nice and chilly. Nice and chilly.
Yeah. We literally drove on that mountain. Another divot? Are you trying to give me anxiety today? I'm scared. Okay. Oh, my heart, I can't. Oh, I'm gonna leave. Oh, I'm scared. Oh my god. That is a huge drop from here. Like, what? There's even a road. Okay, be careful with your phone. Oh, that's a cool car. Look at the go-karts, that's so cute. What?
That car.
It's a go-kart, that's so cute. Oh, it's nice wind, I can't wait.
Oh yeah? Thank you so much. Thank you. Did you guys want one of you?
You want to take one? Come here.
I already got them.
No, I want one. Not on my phone.
It's-
Oh my god.
We drove on that. I drove, which was scary. Oh my god, I can't anymore. No more divots. Oh, my heart. Imagine, like, oh, there's the watering station, real far away. You stay away from that divot now. I can't do no more. Yeah, I doubt it. There's like probably a lot of people using it.
I know.
It's just gross. Which, I'm not too sure. Maybe. Oh, no. You can back around. More divots.
And then when we come back, let's go on that side.
On the other side? Okay. See what it looks like? That must be an elevator.
I'll probably go up to like the top of this lookout.
Oh my god, no. No, maybe to go down. I don't see anything else.
Oh, yeah, probably good, huh?
Up or anything. Okay, is it a really steep drop?
Yeah, it's the same.
Oh god. There's cars down there.
Yeah, there is.
Oh my god. They're worried about heat stroke. I'm worried about getting a heart attack from this. That is so cool. I wonder how much that is to drive. brassy.
So grassy?
Brassy.
Brassy. Yeah, it is.
I don't know why. There's like shavings on there.
Look at that tiny person down there. That's so far, dude. Oh.
You almost knocked my head. I gotta watch your arms.
Understand that.